brakes and rotors. Gonna start with the caliper bolt here. 2 bolts, one here and one on the bottom, and that should swing right out. Nè hả mạo, la mà hay lộ, mạo hay lộ mạo á, là mà không á, là mà heo, hào, hào. We take a one bolt off. One bolt okay, but we need to take 2 bolts off. Now we gotta go ahead and take this disc off right here. Oh man, that disc is stuck. If you ever got a stock rotor, my mother's father's grandson taught me this great technique. You see, this rotor's got a little threader pot right here. You just take a caliper bolt and stick it in the hole, and it's got threads in it. Then you go ahead and take your little Harbor Freight ratchet here, and you go ahead and just tight along, and it should pull this rotor off. You tighten it. If you do it right, then you just pull this rotor off. Okay, you got the old rotor off. Sheesh. This rotor's done fucked. This rotor down with brake cleaner. You got a fresh brand new rotor here. Put it on. It went ahead and cleaned everything up. Added brake lubricant to the rubbers inside, pins and everything, and brand new clips on this bracket. New rotor. We'll just start putting everything back together with the new pads and everything. You see this right here? You see that? I went out and I bought a little tool for that, but you really don't need any tool. You can just squish it down with the caliper. C-clamp that flat. New pads are in. Get this back. Connect. This is just one side. Fuck. Damn it. Shit. Fuck. You gotta tighten the 2 bolts for the caliper. You know, you just gotta take it the 40mm wrench and you gotta turn it. You gotta turn it till it's tight. Okay, you do the same thing up here. Okay, you do the same thing up here. You tighten the bolt. Only professionals can do it with one hand. What's up? I'm gonna put the wheel back on. Here's a new pad. And here's the pad. Yeah, time for that. We do the other spot, the other side. Alright, that's it. I got tired and forgot to record, but I just did a couple 0 to 60s or 60 to 0s. Broke the pads in. Should be okay now.